Dear children, now we are going to see the key of excretion assignment. In this assignment, 10 marks are there. Among these 10 marks, there are 4 objective questions. Each objective question carries half mark. Now we are going to see what are the objective questions and their key. The first question is identify the group of alkaloids. That means 2 groups will be given to you, group A and group B. Here asked that which group belongs to alkaloids. So you have to read the group A and group B and you have to find out which one is the suitable answer for alkaloid. Now here suitable answer for alkaloid is B. That means caffeine, nimbin, nicotine and quinine belongs to alkaloids. Second question is read the sentence and correct the underlined word. That means this sentence itself giving us an indication that underlined word is wrong. We have to change it into correct word. Alkaloids are carbon compounds. Alkaloids are underlined. So alkaloid is a wrong word. We have to change it into correct answer. Now in alkaloid place, if we keep tannins, so it is the correct answer. Tannins are carbon compounds. Tannins are made up of carbons. But alkaloids are made up of nitrogenous byproducts. Okay, right. Now third question. Tannins are used for preparation of medicines. But resins are used for what? Resins are used in preparation of varnishes. Varnishes means the painting of wooden structures. Take some other structures. Wooden structures are painted by varnish. It gives best shading quality. Okay, right. Now fourth one, who am I question? My pollen grains cause allergy, skin allergy and asthma. Who am I? The answer is Parthenium plant. Parthenium plant releases pollen grains that float in the air because they are light in weight. If you breathe such kind of air, that enter into our respiratory system and causes respiratory allergens and also asthma. Actually this Parthenium is not belongs to our native India. It has come from Australia. This is a weedy plant. Okay, right. Now see, it is time for seeing the very short answer questions. There are 4 very short answers. Each very short answer carries 1 mark. Now let us see what are the 4 very short answer questions. The 5th question, how are the alkaloids formed? Alkaloids are formed by nitrogenous byproducts. Alkaloids are the products of nitrogenous byproducts. Okay, right. Now which alkaloids are used as painkillers? 2 alkaloids are used as painkillers. They are morphine and cocaine. You know, they suppress the pain. And also, you know, morphine and cocaine are used in drugs preparation. Nowadays, some young ones are addicting to the drugs. Okay, I am not going to explain you deeply about this. But morphine and cocaine are useful for painkillers. Now, 7th question. What is the scientific name of rubber plant? Scientific name of rubber plant is Hevea brasiliensis. Here in this answer we can see 2 words, Hevea and brasiliensis. So scientific names were given by Carolus Linnaeus for each and every object on this earth. Okay, so here 2 names are there. So always when we are writing scientific name, the first name of the first letter of the first name should be right in the capital letter. But the second name of the first letter should be right in the small letter. Okay, and if it is printed, these should be shown in a italic style. Okay, Hevea brasiliensis is a rubber plant. Now 8th question, who discovered that plant roots also secrete their waste into the soil? Okay, The answer is Bruggeman. Like Spider-Man, Superman, Batman. In the same way, there is a man called Bruggeman. This man found that some of the plant roots secretes waste into their soil. Especially he found apple plant roots secrete their waste material into the soil. Okay. Now let us see the short answer questions. Ninth question. Write the differences between secretion and excretion. So to write this answer, you have to use tabular form. One side you should write excretion and other side you should write secretion. In excretion, you have to write the first point that removal of waste from the animal bodies is called excretion. And in the secretion, you have to write like this: the movement of substances from one point of the body to other point is called secretion. Actually, excretion is a passive process. Secretion is a active process. In excretion, we know urine, sweat, carbon dioxide will be excreted outside. In secretion, the hormones released at one place but they move to other place. This is the answer for what are the differences between excretion and secretion. Now it is a last question. Okay, what are the uses of gums? You know, gums are secreted by neem plants and acacia plants. First point is that. Second point, these gums are used as adhesives and binding agents. These gums swell up by absorbing water and they help to heal the wounds of the plants. Actually, plants release these gums for the healing of their wounds. Whenever they hurted, then they release the fluid called gum. So this gum, after exposed to the air, it becomes a solid like structure, right? This gum, okay, is also used for adhesives and binding agents. Not only that, this gum is used for preparation of medicines and food material, etc. Okay, this is the key of today's assignment, my dear children. God bless you.